7 structural steps making impactful business ideas. Today's topic is about how to evaluate and improve our ideas to have the best influence inside the market. Hello everyone, this is Parsa from Zee and you are watching the 3rd episode of the brand development series by Zee Studio. Through this episode, we will talk about 7 crucial rules to evaluate your ideas and massively increase your chances of success. Number 1. Widen your lens. This title addresses the user-centered development or UCD techniques. So how does that work? First of all, you need to know while you're ideating to develop a brand new product or service for the market, your point of view is not the actual view. There are thousands of points of view that you are only aware of one. And the right way to see the actual view is to define your end users, understand their needs, and try to study them qualitatively and quantitatively. That's how you go one more step closer to evaluating a perfect idea. Number 2, users don't know what they need. This can be a tricky topic, but it's a critical one. The technique is called user-driven development or UDD technique. Henry Ford once said, if I'd asked customers what they wanted, they would have told me a faster horse. And Steve Jobs consistently said, our job is to figure out what they're going to want before they do. Our task is to read things that are not yet on the page. Many years ago, the founder of the famous car company Mr. Toyota understood the fact that asking the user what they want will not give him the right answer. Not because they're liars, but because they don't know what they want. So he invented the 5 whys rule. I'm gonna tell you how that works right now, and it's a game changer. First, you ask the user what they want, and they might give you an answer. Then you ask them why again. Why is this your answer? The next answer is gonna be more precise, but you don't stop there. You ask again why. You keep asking why after each response, and after 5 whys, you have the true answer. Of course, this is not the most convenient way to do user-driven development, but it can give you a good feel of this concept. The 3rd one, design for everyone. I simply call it universalization. Try to develop your idea in a way that can be the most accessible, memorable, and understanding to the vast majority of society. Making your product or service so unique and modern that makes it so unfamiliar to the market can easily guide you to failure. And providing reasonable services for people with disabilities is also crucial and a big part in this title. Number 4, one-spot approach. Your idea might expand itself through the process of your daily ideations, which can be dangerous. Setting a specific limited goals for each part of your process is necessary. You need to target only one goal at each time to make sure you are planning just the right path. Number 5, giving value to users. Users are your priority, and your ideas should always fix something for the user. They should believe that your idea will have a positive impact on their life. And to give such a feeling, you need to give the most value to them by solving maybe tiny but the most crucial problems of their lives and give them the best experience in your product or service. Number 6, establishing emotional values. There are 2 main types of businesses called PBC, which is product-based companies, and SBC, service-based companies. But I believe there's a 3rd type which is mostly not being mentioned called VBC, value-based companies. In such a system, users will not only love the brand because of its service or product, but they honor the value behind it. That's how you secure your existence and gain more love from the users. To be more practical, try to show the world how inspired you are to change something for good in this world. And for the last one, number 7, nature in mind programs and sustainable developments. Trust me, this is the most crucial move for your business structure. This is something you must care about, and the more you consist on such values, you gain more loyalty, love, and trust from your audiences. And if there's anything against this fact, you might want to change that.